To splitting edge and face in Blender, we can use subdivide and loop cut tools. So you can go to edit mode. And as example, I will add another object, or you can select these all objects and use duplicate tools to duplicate the object. Set into y-axis. Duplicate again. I will duplicate last object. As example, I will use the edge selection, and you can select this edge. And if you want to cut the edge, you can right click and then choose the subdivide. So it will be cut into two. You also can set for the number of cut, like I will set to 3. Click out set, and the edge will be created into 4 edge. Like you can extrude in z-axis, or you can select again and extrude in x-axis. For face selection, like I will select at this face, and you can right click again, choose the X subdivide, so to be automatically splitting the face, and you can set for number of cut. This you also can join these objects. You can press X button and then choose the dissolve face, so to be automatically join the face. But if you want to create again, like we can split up this face, right click, you can click subdivide. It will be not working because the object will be converted into the end gun object. Like same at this object, you can subdivide this selection face. If you want to select, you can select all the objects entities, and then you can right click, click subdivide. You can divide the all face, then click out setup. The other option, you also can use the loop cut tools. So we'll increase size of this toolbar, and you can use this loop cut, or you can press Ctrl R to create the loop cut. As example, I will press Ctrl plus R. Then you can move the cursor into the object, like I will click. And then to increase the cut, you can click at this point to set the position, or you can press escape button to set in the middle of the line. Click outside to apply. You can press again, Ctrl R, and you can scroll up, scroll down mouse to set the number of cutting objects, and click to apply. Now for the position, I will press escape button to set into center point. So there are two options to splitting the edge or face by using subdivide or by using loop cut. I will cut again the loop cut tools in this horizontal line and increase the cutting object, click to apply. And for the position, press escape button to set in the middle.